So what is up, guys? Nick here, helping you to master your technology. This is the iPhone 12 mini. Here's a good look at it. Shoutouts to Supcase for sending this out. Supcase makes some awesome, clear, and also pretty rugged style cases, but they also make these unicorn beetle ones, which are kind of a nice, in between, giving you enough protection, but also some nice looks. I'll leave a link down below. Now, over here on the iPhone 7, you can take a look at it and see how it stacks up next to the iPhone 12 mini in the size. So first of all, right off the bat, you're probably noticing the iPhone 12 mini is far thicker than the iPhone 7, but it's also going to be a phone that's actually a little bit smaller to use. It also should feel a little bit lighter. It's a little bit shorter as well over the iPhone 7, but taking a look at it next to it, if you had a 7, this is going to be a great option for you if you held on and you just didn't want to go up in size. You're like, the 7 was already, pushing it a little bit for me. And I think the reach is going to be quite easy as well on this 12 mini. You can see holding it in the hand, the iPhone 7 feels a little bit larger here. It feels a little bit wider as well. Let's go ahead and confirm that. So if we put the iPhone 12 mini on there, it does look like it might be just a hair wider on the iPhone 7, but those flat sides are going to give it more of that iPhone 5S, that iPhone SE feel. So that's kind of how it looks at the top compared to the iPhone 7. You can see on the sides right there, it also should be retaining antenna lines right there. You can see SIM card tray. And then again at the bottom, again, just looking a little bit thicker with those sides, reminding more of the older iPhone design. So kind of reincarnating that older design. But in overall size and stature, I do believe that if you go from an iPhone 7 to an iPhone 12 mini, you'll probably really like this size. It's very comfortable to hold those sides, but also the curvature of the iPhone 7 do make this a comfortable phone as well. So for people who held out, this is kind of what you can expect in the size versus the iPhone 7. Pretty close, to be honest with you. But it's really just that height. That height just makes it a little bit bigger on the 7. And again, it might be very, very close in width, but looks like it might be just a little bit less wide for the iPhone 12 mini. So let me know your guys' thought on the iPhone 7 versus iPhone 12 mini. If you want to see comparisons on these two phones going forward, let me know down below. When I get the actual mini in stock here, I will go ahead and start producing some comparisons. So let me know what you want to see below. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Nick here, helping you to master your technology. Be sure to be well, and peace.